Good morning, students. In the earlier lecture, we discussed about the development and exercise guidelines for different stages of growth. In this topic, we covered the six different stages. First is infancy period, early childhood period, later childhood period, adolescence period, adulthood, and old age. And we discussed all the exercise guidelines in these different stages of growth. Today we will discuss about the benefits of exercise. Benefits of exercise in children, on children. The first benefit is build healthy muscles. Exercise is helpful in keeping muscles strong and healthy. Exercises are activate in passive muscles. This increase muscle strength. Next is exercise boost our energy level. Exercise often provides physical fitness and suitability, making the child more lively. It helps them to be more active and provides enough energy to perform many types of activities without experiencing any fatigue. It helps the cardiovascular system work more efficiently. This increases the energy level in our body. As a result, children can continue to perform various types of activities without fatigue for a long time. So this is the another benefit of exercise on children. Next is exercise improves neuromuscular coordination. Neuromuscular coordination defined as the coordination between your mind and muscles. This happens more efficiently during childhood. Exercise helps in provide coordination in nerves and muscles. It is undoubtedly beneficial for children because it is necessary to conduct accurate and well organized and balanced activity not only in the field of sports but in every area of life. So it is the next benefit of exercise. Next is the exercise helps in digestive process. In nowadays digestion is a main disease in every child. It is compulsory for the digestive process to be effective for growth and development. Exercise helps in the digestive process. It is helpful because it helps in the absorption of food by removing constipation. So by exercise all waste products are removed out from our body, and the food we intake in our body is properly observed by our body. So this is the next benefit of exercise. Next is exercise helps in motor development. Exercise helps children develop rapid motor development, which plays an important role in their lifetime to do finer activities. Exercise control or weight. So regular exercise helps in controlling body weight. The weight of most children increases when they take more calories than that needed by the body. This extra calories deposits as fat in their body, which leads to obesity, मोटापा, जो मोटापे को बढ़ाती हैं. Nowadays, children around the world are being victim of obesity. Exercise help them to burn extra calories, controlling excessive weight. So exercise, uh, you can say that control your excessive fat and calories stored in our body. Next is exercise strengthens our bones. Bones become strong through exercise. Actually, exercise increases the density and flexibility of the bones. There is no posture related problem due to strong bones. So there are various posture deformities like in your spinal, in your legs, round shoulder, knock knees, flat foot. So exercise uh, avoid all these deformities from our body. So there is a less chance of these deformities, postural deformities, due to regular exercise. Next is exercise strengthen our lungs. Exercise is beneficial for all children because it increases the efficiency of lungs and increase their ability to breathe. It increases the size of the lungs because their ability to breathe increases. It increases lung functions and efficiency. By doing exercise, the lungs get stronger and they become capable for long-term activities. Reduce the chance of diabetes. There is no age for disease in modern times. Nowadays, children are also becoming target of diabetes. Through regular exercise, this disease can be prevented. Regular exercise increases the level of insulin in our body. Due to the increase of insulin level, excess sugar is collected in blood, due to which the probability of the diabetes in children is greatly reduced. So insulin is the uh, which control the diabetes in our body. Improves function of the brain. Regular exercise improves our brain structure and positive changes in functioning. Exercise will help to keep them happy and relaxed, which improves the efficiency of brain. Improves the efficiency of the heart. Regular exercise increase heart size of the children and muscles become stronger. Blood volume pumped by the heart also increases. So there are some more benefits: good sleep after exercise, fine motor health, emotional existence, body size and posture, flexibility in joints, reduce obesity. So all these are benefits of regular exercise. So we should do regular exercise without any break if we want to away from all the diseases. Thank you very much.